Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So today I have some time, and it's daytime. I just want to do some local discovery. So I came to this art gallery. It's art class, art gallery, and it's so fun. And so I wear my pair of shoes. You can see. And when I came in, the person in front said, "Oh, pretty shoes." And then I said, I just said, "This is the first time I wear this kind of shoes." And then he walked out. I found he wear the same kind of shoes. Anyway, that's so silly. Oh, look at it. So the following will be, you need to see the sunshine. Okay. So I have some free time, and I came to this place, and this is Pacific Art League. Is a local art education institution, and there are people painting class. It's because people are doing their art class, so got my interest. And then I walk in. I was allowed to walk in. And it's open. Unfortunately, a lot of pieces are missing because today is pick-up day. A lot of artwork is picked up. So I was just thinking, you go to a museum, you go to this and that place, but beauty is everywhere. And beautiful painting, beautiful artwork is everywhere. In your neighborhood place, you can see beautiful works, and there is just so much we can learn. And this piece of painting, let me get up and close. Look at the strokes and look at the color. And the white can be the sunshine, can be the snow. Very much looks like snow, but but they look so poetic, so beautiful, and it's realistic, but in the sense poetically realistic. I love these paintings. I love these paintings very much. Look at the color choice. It's the orange from fall, from before the winter, and some places already getting snow. And particularly I am interested in pine trees. And this is just perfect. The color shade and the color contrast and the color depths. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now let's move on to another one. Let me take a picture first. So here is another one that I love. That one I like, but that one I like, that one I like, and that one I just feel so much that talking to me. And this is particularly the style that I feel very comfortable. I am not good at realistic painting. I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm not good at realistic painting, and I have a lot of interest and fascination for people express their way to see nature, to see a bunch of flowers, to see the green grass, to see the shade, and to see the center of the flower, the very highlight of this painting. It's poetic and it's romantic, and it's just so pleasant, makes me feel happy, makes me feel light-hearted, makes me feel just very, very touched to my heart. Now here is another piece. Let me try to look at the cloud and the power of this painting. And it's a small, teeny tiny small piece. You see my hand in comparison, right? It's almost my hand size, but they put the splash, they put the wave, they put everything, and in such a small piece they can make it, I love it. They can make it so powerful and so strengthful. Okay, let's get inside a little bit. And this place with less surrounding sound. Let's see this one. I particularly like the dotism, the pointism. So it's a kind of painting very much impressionist with dots of color. You do not see a complete stroke, and relatively you see the stroke is not that impressive, but when you combine all these small elements, you see the stroke from the tree branch, and there is not very much color change, and it's a little bit too smooth, if I say, the branch. These kind of wine trees, they are very rigid and very run out, so it's not that smooth. But the complete color together make it such a wonderful impression. And this is a beautiful, elegant young lady, and the body shape, the gesture, ergonomically so very well expressed. That might be the Van Gogh sunflower with a twist, with a new expression. But look at the color, and it's the color and the color contrast, and some of the color melting it in, some freedom in it. This is a great piece of art. And this one reminds me of Venice. Last year I went to Venice and see the channels, canal, the canals, and see the little gondolas. I love this kind of construction painting. I have a very fond admiration for construction painting. It looks relatively simple and not much detail in the windows, but make it just bright enough to bring in the water reflection as highlight, and one of the smallest boat in the big center to weigh in the whole picture. Sometimes picture does not need a hero or a big shape hero, a pretty hero. Something else. One of the smallest boat actually is the hero, is the center point, and it makes it even more interesting than choosing someone that is already grand, that is already beautiful, that is already mature, that is already majestic. And this reminds me of tomato in cars. I love this car. It looks so cute and so comical. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is the class. Okay, hello dear friends. Good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I have some time today during the day, and it's beautiful sunshine outside. So I decide to just look around for some local places